Hi, my name is Ilen Bell. I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist here at Frontier Fitness Club. In order to get faster, you have to improve your ability to produce force. The standing leg extension is a great way of building strength, which translates to producing force. So as you can see, I have on an ankle strap here hooked up to a cable machine. And the standing leg extension is a great exercise for producing force, which translates to greater speed. All right? So what you're going to do is you're going to step out, standing straight up. All right? Bring your leg up to about 90 degrees, and all you're going to do is extend. Just like that. What you want to remember to do is always pull your belly button towards your spine, because that's going to increase stabilization while you're doing the exercise and decrease the risk of injury. So what you're going to do is just do about 8 to 12 of these extensions. So after you finish the standing leg extension, all you're going to do is turn around and you're going to do an extension in the opposite direction. Right. This is another form of an extension, but it focuses primarily on the glutes and the hamstrings. Right. This is a great exercise for injury prevention, especially if you're an athlete. My name is Ilen Bell, and using the standing leg extension and the reverse leg extension are great ways to increase speed because they mimic the natural running motion.